Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Balsamiq software. First thing you'll notice is that I'm using this on an Apple Mac rather than Windows, but the program is exactly the same. First of all, we're going to need to insert an iPad or an iPhone into your working area or your canvas, which is this area. You can use all of the buttons at the top, which have got a variety of different topics. Some of them are quite large and you'll be able to scroll across from left to right, or you can also search in this quick add section at the top. So if you were to type in phone, you can see it come with an iPhone, and then you just click on it to insert. You just click and drag that around the screen, and you can also resize that as well using your view option. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so that's the first thing you'll need to do. I always encourage students to save the mock-up after each step. Just a nice habit to get into. So you just go to File and Save As, and we'll just save this on the desktop, and we'll just call it number 1. Really important that all of your saved Balsamiqs are in the same place, because when you put links in later on, the links are going to look for the same folder that the original file's in. So it's really important that you put them in the same place. So it might be worth just making a folder straight away to put them all in. So we'll just press save there. Okay, next thing we're going to do is put a background on our iPhone. Easiest way of doing this is to look for an image. So you can either scroll through each of these, or I know I'm searching for an image. I'll use the search bar, click on image, and it will come up with an image. Okay, so I'll drag that over, put it on top of my iPhone, and I can resize that as and when I want to. This is where now the grey drop down bar comes into its own. You can choose to layer it, you can put it behind the iPhone, in front of the iPhone. That's going to be a really important tool when you start adding text and videos and buttons to this later on. You can change the size of it, and you can also use this selector to choose the image that you want to put in. Okay, so I'm going to add an image, and I'm going to search for a saved image on my computer. I've not got anything pre-prepared, so we'll just go to my photos pictures album, and we've got an images section. I'm sure there'll be something there. This is we'll use the Apps for Good logo. So we'll put our Apps for Good logo in, and you can press load, and it will resize that to the size that you've made. So there's my logo on my background.